Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samil92. Today my video is about the child lock, how to put child lock in your car to save your kids sitting behind you. So let's start the video. So this is Hyundai Accent car. So I'll show you how to put the child lock in this car. So child lock is when the vehicle is start or not start, it's up to you, but mostly the vehicle must be start because your kids are inside when you are driving. It's needed at that time, the child lock. So let's see, the child lock is in the back door. So from back door I will show you the child lock. Let's come to the back door. So I'll show you, this is the back door. So this, you can see here, this is child lock. Here showing the lock side and this is unlock side. So this child lock is active now. So I put this, if I put this here, so the child lock is deactivated. Let's show you another door. Show you another door. There is another door also have child lock. This is the child lock. This is on the child lock now. So I want to deactivate this child lock. Let's see. This is child lock now. It's very free. But if I close this or unlock this child lock on this position, see here, this is the lock, this is unlock. So now you can see it's on. It will be open from inside. And see this is unlock now. When I put this on lock, now see, it's free, it's not moving. So this door will be not open from inside now. I'll show you now. On this position the door will be open. Let's see. Now let's sit inside. See, the door is open on this position, not this position. It will be open. See, this door is opening now. Okay, now I put the child lock. If you put the child lock, your kids are inside, you press it here, and now this, see here, this is free now. So now close it back. See, the door is not open. I have to go from this door because I opened the child lock there. This door is open. See, because the child lock is not active. So this is the child lock you can use for your kids, for the safety of your kids. So I have to go out from the other side now because this door is closed. See, the lock is unlocked. Maybe you think I put the lock, but the lock is unlocked and it's free. Okay, so I have to go from the other door now. So better to put child locks on your vehicle to save your kids sitting behind you. Sometimes you cannot observe them, they are playing. So better to put child lock in your car if your kids are sitting that side. So that's all about the child lock of the vehicle. So thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel for new videos and new hacks.